Is your Whirlpool refrigerator rolling when you open the doors? This is a common issue that can be easily fixed by adjusting the leveling mechanisms. The first step is to remove the base grill to access the leveling mechanisms underneath your refrigerator. Once the grill is removed, you'll find different types of leveling mechanisms. Most Whirlpool refrigerators have leveling legs, brake feet, or adjustable rollers. To adjust leveling legs or brake feet, simply turn them. Turning to the right raises the refrigerator, while turning to the left lowers it. You may need to turn several times for the leg to reach the floor and lift the roller. Some models have wheel locking mechanisms with small levers or adjustment nuts. Use pliers to gently pull the locking mechanism in the opposite direction of the arrow to disengage the lock. For precise leveling, you can even use your smartphone's built-in level app to ensure your refrigerator is perfectly stable and won't roll when doors are opened. By properly adjusting these leveling mechanisms, your Whirlpool refrigerator will remain stable and secure, preventing unwanted rolling when you open the doors. If adjusting the leveling mechanisms isn't enough to keep your refrigerator stable, there are several additional fixes you can try. Some refrigerators come equipped with stabilization pads that can be unscrewed and lowered to the floor. These pads provide extra contact points with the ground for improved stability. If your refrigerator still moves after these adjustments, check if the floor itself is level. An uneven floor can cause instability even with properly adjusted leveling mechanisms. For uneven floors, you can use shims under the refrigerator wheels. Simple solutions like rubber bumpers or door wedges can also help prevent unwanted rolling. Proper leveling is crucial for your refrigerator's operation. An unlevel refrigerator can cause serious problems with door sealing and temperature control. When a refrigerator is not level, the doors may not close or seal properly. This image shows what happens when a door doesn't seal correctly. Gaps allow cold air to escape. Poor door sealing leads to several problems: frost buildup inside the refrigerator, temperature fluctuations that affect food safety, and increased energy consumption. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your Whirlpool refrigerator in optimal condition and preventing stability issues. Follow this maintenance schedule. Wipe down shelves and drawers every 2 weeks, perform a deep clean every 3 to 4 months, and clean spills immediately to prevent odors and stains. For optimal performance, replace the water filter every 6 months and clean the condenser coils every 6 to 12 months. This image shows how to access and clean the coils. Additionally, inspect and replace worn-out parts as needed. Avoid overloading the refrigerator, and always follow the manufacturer's maintenance guidelines. If you're still experiencing stability issues after trying these solutions, it's time to contact Whirlpool's customer service for professional assistance. Contact Whirlpool customer service if leveling adjustments don't solve the problem, if you notice persistent door sealing issues, or if you're uncomfortable performing any of these maintenance tasks yourself. Professional technicians can diagnose complex issues and ensure your refrigerator operates safely and efficiently. Remember, proper maintenance and stability are key to extending your appliance's lifespan.